welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I want to do this real quick. YouTube, your boy got tricked. That's right, I got tricked real bad. Even though I am a seasoned so-called veteran, every now and then something would get past me and I would get tricked. All right, this minivan, this is 2015 3.6, as you can see. The reason I got this up hanging is I'm finna do a tune up. I gotta replace the spark plugs. I got a whole nother video on how to do that, so if you want to watch that, I'll link it in the bottom. But let me get on to what I'm talking about. This car came in for funny smell, overheating smell, blah 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 blah. Now I'm not belittling anybody's complaint. I'm just trying to get through this. All right, so naturally I go in and inspect it, raise it up. You know, you can suspect coolant leak, you can suspect oil leak. This car and this engine have a history of both. The oil leak being, you know, the oil filter depth having. So naturally you would look down in there, over through here, because you're looking for something that possibly can hit the exhaust and cause that burning smell. Well, I had the car up in the air, didn't see nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing. But because she have an electrical problem, I'm getting ready to replace the alternator. As you can see, I have the battery off. And I finally gained access to the alternator. The way you gain access to the alternator is you got to remove whatever's right here. In this case, the fan. So once I get the fan out, finally get the fan out, guess what I see? This. All right, so again, mind you, I took the cap off and pressurized the system. Okay, I'm a big fan of pressurizing the system to find the leak. All right, in fact, I say that on most of my videos, but even under pressure, okay, with a full cooling system, and first of all, I filled it up. I added coolant to make sure it's full, so when I pressurize it, it will fill the system and fight to get out of the path of least resistance. All right, so I did all that, no leaks, nothing visible. But again, like I say, once I remove the radiator fan, I see all of this. Ladies and gentlemen, your boy got tricked. I got tricked, and I don't want that to happen to y'all. Now, the best way, like I say, your best tool you have at your disposal is your eyesight. Okay, but this was hard to see. Okay, even looking through here, I had a hard time seeing. Of course, the condenser is blocking a good view. You're not gonna be able to see it that well with the condenser being in the way from the front. So I guess the moral of the story is, if you suspect coolant leak, you need to get a better view. If some things you have to remove, man, go ahead and do it. Chances are you have 1 hour diagnostic time at your disposal anyway. Sometimes you have to use the full hour to diagnose the car, even if you have to do a little work. Now, removing this fan wasn't hard, but it was work. Nobody wants to work during their diagnostic time. I know I don't like to do that. So, but yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, but yes, this, ladies and gentlemen, is radiator leaking. True sign of a radiator leaking. All right, so I have a radiator coming. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the tune-up. Go ahead and replace the alternator. I'm replacing the alternator because it's not charging. I'm gonna make sure the battery connections are tight and secure, and go ahead and get this radiator off. Now, I'm not gonna film this because I'm in a big hurry. All right, but replacing this radiator is not that deep. Of course, the top panel come off, and voila, it should be right there. Just disconnect it from the condenser. You don't have to discharge the AC system or none of that. I can't believe this happened to me, but it happens, guys. So new mechanics, veteran mechanics, just keep a lookout for that. If somebody complaining about smell, chances are some fluid is leaking, and if it hit that exhaust manifold, that's where you're gonna get the most smell, you know, from the passenger gonna complain. So that's all I have, man. Just wanted to let y'all know what's up. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.